One of the key aspects of optimizing a workflow is template management. To do this, it is essential to know how to import, edit, and export them to ensure that all the modifications made are preserved in the process. Firstly, from the general interface of the program we are going to use, in this case SIPE Architecture, we select the option related to template management. We then add a new element to the list. To do this, we find the template file and import it. We can load several files at the same time if necessary, which makes it easier to organize the project. Once the selection has been made, we simply confirm to complete the import. With the template already available, we can make the necessary adjustments to adapt it to the project's needs. At this point, we can deactivate certain layers to improve the visualization or perform transformations, such as modifying the origin of coordinates. These tools allow us to customize the template and make it fit perfectly with the design requirements. When all modifications are ready, we apply the template to the current project. This not only speeds up the design process, but also makes it easier to enter the different elements in the model. In many cases, we will use the template in more than one project, so we can benefit from the work carried out by exporting and saving it for future use. The process is simple. We click on Save GXF and choose the location where we want to store the file with all the modifications. Later, if we need to use the same template in another SIPE program, we can easily retrieve it from the Template View Management. We only need to select the Get GXF option to be able to use it. This makes template management an essential tool for improving efficiency and ensuring that each project runs smoothly and in an organized way.